Hey there! If you're here, it means you're considering a journey, not just any journey but a transformative odyssey into the world of weight loss. I'm here to be your guide through the emotional landscape that comes with it. This isn't just about the numbers on the scale, it's a journey that taps into your deepest fears, your brightest hopes, and the challenges that define you. So, buckle up, and let's delve deep into this 10-minute exploration. Or wait. Let's spice things up a bit. How about we kick off our conversation with a workout session? Picture us working out together, breaking a sweat while delving into the emotional landscape of a weight loss journey. Ready to feel the burn and explore what lies beyond the fears, hopes, and challenges? Let's dive in. Fears. Let's start by shining a light on the fears that might be holding you back. Fear of failure. It's like a heavy fog, obscuring the path you want to take. The judgment from others. It's a weight you carry even before shedding a single pound. Deprivation. The thought of saying no to your favorite treats can feel like you're giving up a piece of yourself. Fear of discomfort and change might be lurking, like unwelcome guests at your fitness party. And what if, despite all your efforts, you find yourself back at the starting line? These fears are real, but remember, fear is just a signpost, not the final destination. Goods things to look forward to. Now, let's paint a vivid picture of the goods waiting for you. Picture waking up with boundless energy, a vitality that propels you through your day. The radiant confidence that accompanies a body transforming into its healthier self. It's not just a physical change, it's a mindset shift. Envision the joy of effortlessly slipping into clothes that not only fit but hug your newfound contours with pride. These aren't just aspirations, they are the tangible goods awaiting you on this journey. Increased strength becomes your silent testimony, a living testament to the power of consistent effort. A mood that feels like sunshine, and a restful sleep that becomes your nightly sanctuary. Peeves are common annoyances. Now, let's talk about the peeves that might crop up along the way. Slow progress can test your patience, much like watching a snail race when you're ready for a sprint. Cravings might be the unwelcome knocks at your door, tempting you to veer off course. Plateaus. They're like the annoying friends who linger too long, making you question the journey. Social pressures and the relentless ticking of time can try to test your commitment. But remember, peeves are transient. They're the gusts of wind that momentarily shake the branches but can't uproot your tree. Bads, like challenges to overcome. Now, let's talk about the challenges that are an inevitable part of this journey. Unhealthy coping mechanisms might be the default reaction when faced with stress. A lack of motivation could cast a shadow on your enthusiasm. But, my friend, consistency is the secret sauce. Negative self-talk might whisper doubts, and the allure of quick fixes might beckon, but you are on a marathon, not a sprint. Challenges are the weights you lift to become stronger, not barriers to hold you back. How do you break free from this web of emotions and challenges? I have come up with 10 steps to a successful weight loss journey. Let's delve into the steps that pave your way to a successful weight loss journey. 1. Set meaningful goals. Goals shouldn't just be numbers on a scale. They should be meaningful milestones, markers of the distance you've traveled. Instead of focusing solely on losing weight, think about gaining strength, improving endurance, or adopting healthier habits. 2. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your North Star. Educate yourself about nutrition, workouts, and the intricate dance of calories. It's not just about what you eat, it's about understanding how your body responds to different inputs. 3. Build a support system. You're not alone on this path. Building a support system, whether it's friends, family, or a community of like-minded individuals, can be your safety net when the road gets tough. 4. Embrace change gradually. Imagine change as a series of small waves gently reshaping the shore. Rather than diving headfirst into drastic transformations, embrace change gradually. Small, sustainable adjustments have a greater chance of becoming lasting habits. 5. Focus on victories beyond the scale. The scale is just one metric, and sometimes it doesn't tell the whole story. Focus on victories beyond the numbers, like the pride in choosing a healthier meal or the joy in completing that extra set. These non-scale victories are the building blocks of your success. 6. Prioritize mental health. mental health is not a side quest, it's the foundation of your journey. As you focus on physical health, don't neglect the mental and emotional aspects. Addressing stressors, practicing mindfulness, and finding healthy coping mechanisms are essential components. 7. Diversify workouts. Exercise doesn't have to be a monotonous chore. Diversify your workouts to keep things interesting and prevent burnout. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's hiking, dancing, or lifting weights, and let your fitness journey be an exploration of movement. 8. Practice mindful eating. Eating isn't just about consuming calories, it's a mindful experience. Pay attention to what and how you eat. Savor each bite, be conscious of portion sizes, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. 9. Track progress beyond weight. Progress extends beyond the numbers on the scale. Monitor your energy levels, sleep quality, mood, and other non-physical aspects. These holistic indicators paint a more comprehensive picture of your journey. 10. Forgive setbacks. Setbacks are part of any journey. Rather than viewing them as failures, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. Forgive yourself and refocus on the broader trajectory of your goals. The goods of the journey. 10 positive outcomes. Now, let's fast forward to the goods, the positive outcomes that await you on this journey. 1. Renewed confidence. Picture renewed confidence as a cloak that you wear with pride. It's not just about how you look, it's about the belief in your capabilities and the strength you've gained. 2. Vibrant energy. Imagine waking up each day with vibrant energy, a vitality that not only fuels your workouts but permeates every aspect of your life. 3. Deeper sleep. A restful night's sleep becomes more than just a luxury. It becomes a nightly rejuvenation, setting the stage for more energetic and productive days. 4. Radiant mood. Your mood becomes a beacon, guiding your journey with the light of positivity. It's not just about physical health, it's about mental and emotional well-being. 5. Fashion forward. Your wardrobe transforms from a battlefield of discomfort to a showcase of victories. Clothes become more than fabric, they become a tangible record of your transformation. 6. Strength and stamina. Physical strength and stamina become your loyal companions, standing steadfast as you conquer physical challenges you might not have thought possible. 7. Holistic health. The journey isn't just about losing weight, it's about holistic health. Improved cardiovascular health, enhanced immune function, and optimized metabolic processes are the dividends of your efforts. 8. Triumph over plateaus. Plateaus, once seen as insurmountable barriers, become mere stepping stones in your journey. The resilience you develop in overcoming these plateaus echoes in every area of your life. 9. Empowered discipline. Discipline evolves from a rigid taskmaster to an empowering ally. It becomes your secret weapon against the temptations that may try to divert you from your path. 10. Life triumphs. Your success in the fitness realm ripples into every facet of your life. Challenges that once seemed overwhelming become conquerable, and the sense of achievement becomes a driving force in all your endeavors. Now, let's take a moment to consider the alternative. What if you don't take that leap? What will you regret later? 1. Unfulfilled potential. Regret settles in as you ponder the untapped potential within you. The energy left unclaimed, the opportunities missed, and the unexplored realms of your capabilities become haunting what-ifs. 2. Energy wasted. The regret intensifies as you realize the energy that could have been harnessed for positive pursuits now dissipates into the ether. It's not just about physical energy, it's the creative, mental, and emotional vigor left untapped. 3. Missed opportunities. Opportunities to experience life at its fullest pass by like ships in the night. The adventures not taken, the challenges not faced, and the joyous moments not embraced become poignant memories of what could have been. 4. Stagnation versus growth. Regret amplifies as you compare a life of stagnation to the vibrant growth that could have been. The difference between merely existing and thriving becomes glaringly apparent. 5. Impact on well-being. Physical health deteriorates, mental well-being stagnates, and emotional fulfillment remains elusive. The regret compounds as you witness the toll it takes on your holistic well-being. 6. Strained relationships. The impact extends beyond personal well-being to relationships. Unfulfilled journeys can lead to a sense of stagnation that strains connections with others, causing ripples in the interconnected web of your social life. 7. Impact on mental health. Mental health, once overlooked, now becomes a battleground of unaddressed stressors and unprocessed emotions. Regret weighs heavy on the psyche, casting shadows on the potential for a thriving mental landscape. 8. Echoes in other pursuits. The regret reverberates into your pursuits outside the realm of fitness. Other goals and aspirations are tinged with the realization that a lack of commitment in one area can cast a shadow on your ability to persevere in others. 9. Impact on self-esteem. Self-esteem, instead of flourishing with accomplishments, takes a hit. The haunting question of what if becomes a persistent echo, eroding the foundation of self-confidence. 10. Unfulfilled legacy. Finally, the regret expands beyond personal fulfillment to the legacy you leave behind. What stories will you tell, and what lessons will you impart? The regret of an unfulfilled journey leaves an indelible mark on the narrative of your life. So, my future fitness warrior, as you stand at the crossroads of your journey, the choice is yours. Every emotion, every challenge, is a brushstroke on the canvas of your success story. The fears, goods, peeves, and challenges, they're all part of the grand tapestry of your transformation. The question is, will you take that first step? Tell me in the comments, what's your why? What drives you? If you've enjoyed our workout and conversation, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more insightful fitness content, and share this video with someone who might need that extra push. Together, we're building a community of strength and resilience. I'm here for you, and together, we've got this.